Hello students, welcome back to MJ Manjari, your trusted guide for CBSE examination. Today's session is all about previous year question from chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction and Human Eye and Colorful World. These are the exact type of questions that has been asked in board exam. So make sure you listen carefully and note them down. Remember, these chapters carry around 6 to 9 marks every year. And if you practice these previous year questions, you will be exam ready and confident. Let's quickly go through them one by one. So the first question is a MCQ. Mirror X is used to concentrate sunlight in solar furnace and mirror Y is fitted on the side of the vehicle to see traffic behind the driver. Which of the following statements are true for two mirrors? So they have given you 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these 4 statements, which 2 statements are correct? So you need to choose from A, B, C and D correct option. Then second question is a numerical where an object is placed at a distance 60 cm from concave mirror or focal length 30 cm. Use the lens formula to find the position of the image formed in this case. Then third question is based on ray diagram. So you need to draw the ray diagram to show the nature, position and relative size of the image formed by convex mirror when the object is placed at infinity and between infinity and pole of the mirror. Next question is the power of lens X is minus 2.5 diopter. Name the lens and determine its focal length in centimeter. For which eye defect of vision will an optician prescribe this type of lens as a corrective lens? The value of magnification M for the lens is minus 2. Using new Cartesian sign convention and considering that object is placed at a distance 20 cm from the optical center of this lens, state the nature of the image form, size of the image compared to size of object, position of the image and sign of the height of the image. Then third part of this question, numeric value of focal length of two lenses A and B are 10 cm and 20 cm respectively. Which one of the two will show higher degree of convergence or divergence? Give reason to justify your answer. Next again is a ray diagram and it's an optional all question because it's a B part from previous year question. Draw the ray diagram to show the refraction of a ray of light through a rectangular glass slab when it falls obliquely from air into glass. Second, state Snell's law of refraction of light. Third, differentiate between virtual image formed by a convex lens and concave lens on the basis of object distance and magnification. Next, the white light entering a glass prism gets split into constituent color. It is observed that. So this is the MCQ, you need to choose the correct option. The next, question 6, the phenomena responsible for making smoke particle visible when a beam of light, sunlight, enters a smoke-filled room through a narrow hole is. So again, this is the MCQ, you need to choose the correct option. Question 7, an object is placed at a distance of 30 cm in front of concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. Use the mirror formula to determine the position of the image formed in this case. So it's a numerical, you need to use mirror formula. Then next question. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm in front of concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. Use the mirror formula to determine the position of image formed by the mirror. So again, this is a numerical. Question 9. If the absolute refractive index of two media X and Y are 6/5 and 4/3 respectively, then the refractive index of Y with respect to X will be. So you need to find the refractive index of Y with respect to X and need to choose the correct option. Next question 10. An object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from pole of concave mirror. If its real and inverted image is formed at 60 centimeter in front of mirror, the focal length. So you need to solve and you need to get the correct option. It's an MCQ. Next question 11. A convex lens form a 8 centimeter long image of 2 centimeter long object which is kept at a distance of 6 centimeter from optical center of lens. If the object and image are on the same side of the lens, find the nature of image, position of image and focal length of the lens. Next question 12. Absolute refractive index of water and glass is. If the speed of sunlight in glass is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, speed of light in water. So it's an MCQ. You need to choose the correct option. Next, when a beam of white light passes through a region of very fine dust particle, the color of light that scattered the most in that region is. So MCQ, you need to choose the correct option. Next 14. In the human eye, most of the refraction for light ray entering the eye occur at the surface of. You need to choose the correct option. It's an MCQ. Question 15. The part of human eye which can modify the curvature of eye lens to some extent is. So again it's an MCQ. Next, a convex mirror used for rear view of an automobile has a focal length of 1.5 meter. If a 3 meter high bus is located at 6 meter from the mirror, use the mirror formula to determine the position size of the image of bus as seen in the mirror. So it's a numerical and you need to use mirror formula. Next question 17. A student has difficulty in reading his textbook but can read the blackboard clearly while sitting in the last row. Name the defect of the vision the student is suffering from. List 2 reasons due to which defect arises and write the nature of lens required to correct this defect. The next question, a person has to keep reading material much beyond 25 cm, say 50 cm from the eye for comfortable reading. Name the defect of the vision he is suffering from. List 2 causes responsible for arising of this defect. Draw a label diagram showing correction of this defect using eyeglasses. Are these glasses convergent or divergent of light? Next question 19. To get an image of magnification -1 on a screen using lens of focal length 20 cm, the object distance must be. So it's an MCQ. You need to choose the correct option. Next, an optical device X is placed obliquely in a path of narrow parallel beam of light. If the emergent ray get displaced laterally, the device X is. So you need to choose the correct option. It's an MCQ. Next is a numerical. If we want to obtain a virtual and magnified image of an object by using concave mirror of focal length 18 cm, where should the object be placed? Use the mirror formula to determine the object distance for the image of magnification +2 produced by this mirror to justify your answer. Next question 22. In order to obtain large image of teeth of patient, the dentist hold the concave mirror in such a manner that the teeth are positioned. So it's MCQ. You need to choose the correct option. Question 23. The value of absolute refractive index of kerosene and water are 1.44 and 1.33 respectively. Compare the two media on the basis of their optical density, mass density, and relative speed of propagation of light. What do you infer on the basis of above comparison? Next question is a numerical. The power of a lens is -0.25 diopter. Based on this information, find out the type of lens and its focal length, the eye defect for which it may be used as corrective lens, See the nature and size of image formed by this lens when object is placed between f and 2f from the optical center of this lens. Now last question, analyze the following observation, the table showing variation of image distance with object distance in case of convex lens, and answer the question that follow without doing any calculation. So first, determine the focal length of lens, give reason to your answer. Remember, you don't need to calculate it because it says that without doing any calculation. Then second, find the magnification of image formed in the observation 3. Then third, the numeric value of magnification in case of observation 1 and 2 is same. List two difference in the image formed in these two cases. So friends, that was our previous year questions on light, reflection and refraction and human eye and colorful world. In the next video, we'll continue with more chapter and their important previous year question. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MJ Manjari for more board exam focused content. And in the comment, let me know which chapters previous year question should we discuss next. All the best for your preparation.